Alright guys, here's the situation. We're on vacation and I had to secretly sneak away from my wife so I could shoot a video for LinkedIn because she doesn't want me doing any work on this vacation. But I had to share with you guys some awesome business prerogatives for today. Which is sometimes you should take a vacation and go somewhere, which is not where you're supposed to be at. You get outside your comfort zone. And we went outside our comfort zone and I got on my first commercial flight yesterday. It was pretty sweet. I liked it. It was definitely worthwhile. We'll fly again. I'm not sure where to, but we'll figure it out. But anyways, sometimes, we have to take time to, enjoy the fruits of our labor. And, because on me, I have to take this shot is for everybody that had a 2020 vision post last year, just remember that 2020 vision as you reflect on this actual year, and think about what 2021 and 9 more years of this decade are going to be like, and keep a positive mental outlook for the future, because I got fired twice this year, and to celebrate having a great 2020 we went on vacation to Vegas. So I guess silver linings and stuff. So that's my business advice for today, coming to you from Red Rock Canyon, trying to hide before my wife finds out that I'm shooting for LinkedIn. But you guys have a great year, and I have a few more videos for you guys before we leave, but this is just a sneak peek for later of what we got for you coming on the channel. So have a great one.